Hello, hello, and welcome back to my channel, Damsels and Dragons DPing. And as you can see, it's a magical mail day. I only have a couple today, but I'm going to be super honest. This one has been sitting here all week, and I cannot wait any longer. So I'm going to dig into these. As always, I will post the links to these shops down below. I'm not affiliated with any of them. These are personal purchases that I just like to share with you. These are all small shops in the diamond painting community. I'm going to start with this one. This is the only one I have shopped from before, so the other two are new to me. I'm so excited. This is DP with Sparklers, and I buy gems from them. They also do sell licensed diamond painting. I, as of yet, have not gotten any of theirs, but I love to get their gems to dress up my diamond paintings. And I needed fun ABs to dress up my Jingle Drills canvas because I did not realize it had multiple options and that I didn't order the option with ABs. So look at these pretty dark greens. I believe they go on DMC code, but I am not positive on that, so please don't quote me. But look at these. Look at these whites. This is just a collection of Christmas right here in a bag. So pretty, these reds. I have to be honest, when I ordered, I wasn't totally positive in what areas I'm going to add them, so I just got kind of some colors that I knew would be in there, reds and greens, and was like, oh, I'll figure it out later. So this is a lighter red. It's kind of showing up like a almost pink, but it's really a true red. It's that 666 red. So yeah, I'm pretty sure that's DMC code. I liked this deep red, and these are definitely remind me of a Christmas green right there. So excited to use those. This next one is Whimsical Daisies, and they sell Not Your Mama's Mud, and I kept seeing this, but the shop was closed on Etsy every time I would check, and all of a sudden it came back, and so I snagged some because I know this people love to put in their single placers, and as I am a single placer, I was like, okay, I like to try all of the putties, all of the wax stuff. Oh, look at this cute little sticker. Oh, so cute. This little handmade kind of owl die cut, and a card. So Whimsical Daisies, they must partner with Bella Art de Nicole, and they just send out a like, please check out that shop. I do have trays from there. I love them. So these are the Not Your Mama's Mud. I got it in strawberry lemon drops and apple pancake. And I know that for this one, you just poke your single placer in. So I'm gonna have to try that out. I'm excited. And then this last one is Pen Mail. So these are Poshy pens. They do their drops on Facebook. I will link that group. It's they do the me please and then a random number generator. And I got a couple of theirs. I'm not sure. This looks like it's, yeah, it looks like they, well, I think there's 2 pens in there. So I think they put mine together. I got them in 2 drops like 2 days in a row, and it looks like they might be there. So, oh, yep, they're both in there. Perfect. So they have a little thing about like if your pen tips don't fit in, how to put different pen tips in there, wrapped up in bubble wrap. Let's see, there we go. A little sucker. Okay, let's see which one this is. All right. Look at that. Oh my goodness, look at that purple and that like teal. That is one of my favorite color combinations. And then it's just got like this really bright, like lime greenish yellow running through. So pretty. And then this other one. So this was a thermal. So I don't know if my fingers are hot enough. Probably not. But this black here, if it gets warm enough, like I said, I don't tend to have the warmest hands. Yeah, it's probably not going to, but it turns like a really pretty teal color. Yep, I'm not going to be able to get it to turn. So, but there are my 3 shops for today, and I hope to see you again. If you liked this, please push the like. Remember, if you haven't already, subscribe for more diamond painting content. I hope to see you again on my channel, and for now, have a great day. Bye.